What's up guys, Modell here. Today, for today's install, we're going to be finding out if 67 Designs phone mount is worth 85 bucks. Stay tuned. To this one, this is my Audi box. This is the one I had, obviously, that I have now. It is a one-touch design. I liked it because it was, again, operated with one hand, in and out. It was great for the road, but off-roading, it doesn't work too well. One of the times I was climbing up an obstacle, rock bumped it, it went flying. I was, of course, vertical. Phone went flying back and smacked my 4-year-old son at the time in the face.
You pull forward, now come towards me, hard me. Yeah!
He's mad. Yeah, so we're going to be getting rid of that, and of course I also like having better visibility. So let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is take off the old one. Let's take out this guy. It's going to fit right in here. We're going to take out the factory screw, and it's going to go right back into place, and we're going to screw in 2 other screws up here. So I got a lot of dirt under my mat. I'm going to wipe it up real quick. So when we're ready to place it, we're going to take off the M3 tape backing. Now it's fitted for this, so it will be easy to set in. Make sure it's over and down. Push down. Replace that factory screw. Comes with 2 extra screws. Since you're going right in the plastic, you can probably do this without a drill gun. Or pilot holes is push down as you turn. Don't need to over tighten it. You're just going into plastic. Get in the second. We're going to go back to the rubber mat, and we're just going to be cutting just over right here where it starts to lip up. Make sure it's the right side because it is not the same on both. A pair of utility scissors should work just fine. There we go. Slide it in. Still got my hidden GoPro mount. I'm going to take the carbon fiber arm, put it over the ball, tighten it up. I'm going to loosen this one. There's different mounts. There's a magnetic one. I chose a universal one, so when Misty drives my Jeep, distracted talking to y'all. But when Misty drives my Jeep, she will be able to use her phone and not be out of luck because she needs a magnet. So it's going to pop in, tighten up. Now, so I said I wanted to add some personal flair to this. I'm going to put that guy right there. So when I was looking at phone mounts, there were several different options at the time. There was a 67 Design. There is Pro Clip. I believe Rugged Ridge makes one that fits inside. Well, I wanted something that wasn't bulky. I wanted something that was very modern and clean looking, which is why I landed on 67. Don't like the universal mounts because they work good for the road, but they don't work for off-road. And of course, having a flying phone whacking my kids in the face wasn't no longer an option. The Vector off-road mount, which I didn't like, though it's a great system. It's just, goes across the entire dash, and I'm real anti-clutter. And I don't see myself using all of that rail space. And of course, you lose a half an inch to an inch of just windshield to top. I'm not okay with. Not that I'm not okay with it, it's just not me. But anyways, 67 Designs, I'll let you guys know how it pans out. Keep it easy. So guys, it's been about 3 months I've had this installed in my Jeep, and I just want to give you my final opinion and review of it. The quality of the components is outstanding. I was honestly expecting just Chinese stuff. I was expecting the carbon fiber arm just to be a wrap. I mean, it is quality stuff. You can crank down on the finger tight, the wing nuts. Yeah, though. You can crank down on them. It holds it tight. It shakes a little. It's going to. It's extended. But, I mean, it doesn't... I've never dropped my phone while in the case, in the holder. And you guys see the type of obstacles I do rock crawling. It doesn't budge. I'm totally down with spending $85 on this system, and I would do it again. And I did do it again, because if you haven't noticed, we're in Misty's Jeep. Went and got her one too. And it's not very often we get the same things in our Jeep. I felt this was an exemption. She agreed because, I mean, we love the modern look of it. It's very clean and low profile. It doesn't stick up in the way, it's not large and bulky, kind of like the Pro Clip is compared to this one. Yeah, the Pro Clip is awesome. You don't have to drill into your dash. You don't have to cut the mat. In my opinion, it's not that big of a deal. If I ever am so hung up over this mat and I get rid of my 67 Design, which I don't foresee me doing unless it just has an absolute failure, but as long as it gives me the performance I need, I'll just buy another one, 10 years down the road if this breaks, if it breaks. I mean, I could just go to the dealer and buy another pad, which I wouldn't hope is too expensive. I haven't really priced them out. On that same note, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. More videos are always coming. Y'all keep it easy. And again, my vote for the best phone holder for the Jeep JL is going to be 67 Design. However, I was a little upset to find out that they used to laser etch. They used to laser etch whatever design you wanted in there. Of course, you guys know I had put the sticker on mine. It would have been awesome to have gotten a laser etch of JL Life on there, but it's not a deal breaker. It performs outstanding. Love it. Buy it. Peace out.